Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to do a laundry room clean and restock. I empty the whole laundry room, I clean it thoroughly and I restock all of the goodies, and I'm going to take you along with me. So this is what I started with, a pretty cluttered and messy and pretty filthy laundry room that I needed to tackle this morning. The laundry room also has the air fryer, my coffee machine, so it has a few different uses, and it also has this little cubby under the stairs which I use as a pantry, so it's a very well used room. I'm going to start by clearing some space. I'm going to take out the kitten's litter tray and I'm going to clear the side so that I can wipe it all down. I'm using the Flash bicarb of soda spray, which is incredible. If you haven't had a chance to try it, I highly recommend. And a microfiber cloth, and I'm just going to wipe the sides. As you can see, I gathered a lot of dust as I went along. I moved all of the appliances out of the way so that I could really clean the sides properly and get all of that hidden dust. Once the sides were officially dust free, I could place all of the appliances back in their homes and give them a wipe down as well. And it's time to restock my laundry goodies. I'm going to start with fabric softener. I get asked about this dispenser all the time. It is actually a drinks dispenser. I got this one on Temu, but you can get them in all sorts of places. And I'm filling it with some Lenore fabric softener, and I've got a little silicone cup that I pour my fabric softener into, and I put it straight in the drum. It means that my drawer doesn't get moldy. That's why I do it. And I'm going to add some more scent boosters to my little jar here. I'm going to do the fairy scent boosters because they smell so fresh and so lovely. I'm going to pour them in and put in the little scoop so that they are ready to go. I'll also just add this little decorative plant and a spare silicone cup onto the washing tablets now. I've got some fairy platinum washing tablets and I'm just going to put them all into this large glass jar. These glass jars are also from Temu, but I think they have similar ones in B&M as well, I believe. I'm just going to spray down this little bamboo tray, and on here I keep my white vinegar, which I go through a lot of, so this needs topping up. And I also keep my ironing water on this tray, but that was pretty full. I didn't need to restock that. I'm going to move onto one of the shelves on the back wall here. I'm going to clear it. I'm going to spray it down and wipe it, making sure that it's dust free, and then I will start to stock it up. So starting with dryer sheets, I was literally down to my last one, I believe. I've got some Lenore dryer sheets and I'm going to pop them into this little storage box again from Temu, and I'm going to put them in there. And I've got my stain powder, which I need to top up as well, just some Vanish stain powder that I put in every wash, particularly a white wash. I've also got some bicarb, but that was looking pretty full. I didn't need to top that one up. And this top shelf, I'm going to clear it and wipe it down, but all of the laundry goodies on this shelf were pretty well stocked. I didn't need to restock anything, so this was just a wipe down. Onto the windowsill area now. I'm going to clear it and I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to spray it thoroughly and I'm going to wipe it down. I saw that there was a little bit of slight mold in the corners of the windowsill, so I made sure I worked extra hard in there. Because obviously this room has the tumble dryer in it, I have to be really careful to keep this area really mold free and thoroughly clean. I'm also just going to wipe down the bin while I've got it in my hand, because a clean bin is a happy bin. I'm moving on to my tumble dryer now, which I was just talking about. I'm going to wipe down the exterior first. Just give that a light little spray and wipe. Then I'm going to open up the tumble dryer drawer and just wipe the inside of the door. This can be covered in lint, as you can see, so it's well worth wiping it if you have a second. Also, my little lint catcher here has obviously not been cleaned for a while. Make sure you empty this every time or every couple of times you use your tumble dryer, because that can be dangerous if it gets too full. I'm not giving the best example here, but I have thoroughly cleaned it. It is empty, it is clear and back to being safe to use. I'm going to repeat the process on my washing machine, cleaning the exterior and the interior. And just to give it a really thorough clean, I bought some Vermouche washing machine cleaner, which you just pour into the washing machine and you put it on an extra hot wash. So while that is doing its thing, I'm going to take this dry, clean washing off of my rack and fold this up, ready to go upstairs. And I'm going to clear the floor so that I can hoover. A lot of dust has obviously fallen onto the floor while I've been cleaning this room, so I'm going to make sure that I vacuum it all up. So this little basket here is my odd sock basket. Guys, get yourself an odd sock basket. It is a life changer, and I cannot tell you, maybe I'm sad, but it's so satisfying when you match up some odd socks. I mean, I still had a few left, but when you find a match, it feels good. I think I need to get a life. I mean, how sad does that sound? But here is my clean, tidy and restocked laundry room. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I loved filming this one. I found it really satisfying to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, and I will see you guys in my next video.